solve problems instead of making them worse. That's the password, Master Instructor Mark Duchette, with this week's tip for my Dojang students. And the tip this week is on upward and downward blocks. Upward and downward blocks, we have them in a lot of our patterns. And the thing to remember is the stopping point of both blocks, or the attack that's actually happening, is happening to your solar plexus. So all downward blocks stop at solar plexus when there's not an opponent there, and you're picturing that piercing coming into your solar plexus, or a turn kick, or what have you. We have downward block side fist, downward block palm, downward block night hand, downward block forearm, downward block X fist. And I'm probably missing a few. We got downward block alternating palms. But we also have the upward block, and this bops the thing up, whatever's coming at you. And again, it's aiming at your solar plexus, coming upward. Upward block palm, upward block reverse night hand, upward block forearm, and upward block bow wrist. So all of them stop at solar plexus. That's one of the characteristics when you're trying to explain that kind of block. Thank you.